everybody, good morning. Hey, it's Saturday morning, 6:30 in the morning. Look at how beautiful Oregon is right now. Gosh, it's got to be 50, 55 degrees maybe 55 degrees. Anyway, I'm up early again as usual. Today I'm going back to the friend's house. They're going to pick us up at 7 and we're going to head over to their child's house and we're going to look at that butcher block countertop. I'm going to take you along with me. Hopefully that'll get some time, some video time, and then I can edit it and put it on the page. I know it's not really RV related, but you know it's a DIY project that I think you guys will enjoy, and it's something you could probably certainly apply to an RV. Butcher block isn't near as heavy as granite, so come along with me and we'll show you what we're looking at, and we'll also show you the finished product on their flooring and their entry floor that we did. So we'll take a look at that too. So they'll be here in about a half hour. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thanks for joining. Bye.
Because it's got an opening behind it.
All right, everybody, this is where we're at so far.
Alright, you want to look at it?
You think it's too far back?
A little muscle head in the sink.
Set it down?
Yeah.
Am I on the things?
Mm-hmm.
Rebuilt drawer.
Does it fit?
Dishwashers.
You can, don't break those things.
I was just trying to get the
We
dishwasher.
might have to
over.
steal one if we break it.
See, that'll work. Maybe if we notch that one. No, that'll look funny.
Well, no, that's too low, right? It hits the cabinet, that's the thing. This one has to end at the cabinet.
Right at the cabinet, yeah.
Yeah.
We got engineering working on this
What
first.
happened to the one that goes
Technicians
in
will work on it next.
there? Go ahead, Bruce. Pick it up and put it in there. What happened to, oh, here. Here's the piece that goes there.
All right, let's try it.
Did I really eat it?
No, I had to scare you. I just thought that was funny.
Move your finger. You put it the wrong way, Paul.
Yeah, but just to see if it goes.
So if it's,
So why is it turning? Should just sit flush. Oh, there.
I hope I got a picture of the
Let's
old
turn
kitchen
to it.
before the new kitchen.
yeah, see, I don't have to look the same. There we go.
don't. I don't have it.
Yeah, it's looking great, man. We're doing an awesome job.
Alright,
Awesome
there
job.
it is.
There it is.
And there
All right.
it is.
I'll chat with you guys in a bit.
So that-
All right, day outside talking
You're all doing
crap.
random
It's
Google
an RV
shit.
enthusiast here. We're working on this counter.
Let's get a string and measure our
Taking this butcher block out of the box. We're going to see what it looks like.
Oh,
Sorry about all these people talking down at me. This is my life. Welcome to my world.
I know. If a guy is doing it. He's Zach's in here working.
Faster. Oh, Lord.
Don't come back here and go to the restroom.
Remember the other day? I said I was maybe 5'11"? Well, it actually
are.
measured 6 feet
Minus your.
minus my shoes, so I'm probably 5'11" and a quarter.
Probably 5'10" and 3/4.
Oh, these people are rude. They're so mean to me.
Don't come back.
All right. Sink installed, butcher block countertop installed, stove put back. There we go. Next thing, backsplash. Give you guys a look. That's all.
really good. It's a very good way to end the day.